Okay folks, in this lecture I'm going to show you how to sort in reverse order with no logical order. Now by no logical order I mean sometimes you have data which has no logical order but you want it reversed. The perfect example would be a list of names. Sometimes you've got a list of names that are not sorted, but you just want them flipped. So to do this, what you need to do is add a temporary number column next to your data and then sort both of those columns in reverse order, but by the number column. You then delete your temporary number column, and when you're finished, you've got your data flipped. So to give you an example, I've got some names here: Paul, Karen, Xavier, David, and Jim. Now, when I say flipped or reversed ordered, I basically mean like this. So you've got Jim at the top and Paul at the bottom. So how would you do this? Because it's quite obvious, folks, there's no logic to these actual names in terms of you can't sort it A to Z because that wouldn't give you the result you wanted. You simply want a complete flip or reverse, i.e. Jim at the top and Paul at the bottom. So how do you do that? Well, what I've done is I've copied these names out to this tab here, list of names. Now, all you need to do is basically give Excel something where it has an order attached to it. And we do that by adding to either side of your names a list of numbers. So I'm just going to start here and type 1 and then drag it all the way down and then click this option here, fill series. Right. Now, when you attach these numbers next to your names, you're basically giving Excel a way in which you can reverse it. How? Well, what we have to do, once we've got our numbers, you simply select your selection. Now folks, if you've got a huge list of names, then ideally you'd select both columns. But because we've only got a small list, I'm just highlighting our exact selection. But the principle will be the same. So once you've highlighted both bits, go to Home, and then go to Sort and Filter, Custom Sort. And then where it says Sort By, you choose, now this is the real important bit folks, your number column. So in this case it's column A. You want to sort on the cell values, and you just click here where it says Order and click largest to smallest. Then when you press OK, you can see that it's sorted our data by column A in terms of largest to smallest, and in the process has flipped our data of names. So Jim is at the top and Paul is at the bottom. Then, once you've got your name sorted, you can simply click on your number column and just delete it. And there you go, folks. That's how you sort data which has no logical order in reverse order, i.e. you flip it. So just remember, you must add your number column to either the left side of your data or the right side. And you must select that number column in addition to your names list or whatever data you have when you're performing the sort. And just remember folks, when you do your sort, to sort by your number column in largest to smallest order. Okay, so that concludes this lecture. We have seen how we can sort in reverse order with no logical order. Now, if there are any questions or queries, please feel free to reach out, and I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.